Okay, you guys, so today I wanted to share with you a little care package I just received from Tough Stuff 4x4, which I am no way affiliated with, but I 100% support their products. Everything I've had from them is completely perfect. Alright, you guys, so why don't we open it up and see what they sent. Alright guys, so I have the box open. Let's pull everything out and see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like we have a couple patches here, which are pretty cool. We got some decals, some more stickers. They also sent me this little travel mosquito lamp, which is actually pretty cool. And this waterproof duffel bag that I have been wanting for quite some time now. This bag is actually going to be perfect for some upcoming trips I have planned. And the good part is it's completely waterproof, so anything inside is nice and dry. Alright you guys, I just want to do that quick little video, give another shout out to Tough Stuff. Give an extra thank you for them supporting me, my YouTube, my Instagram. I have nothing but good things to say about their products. If you guys are interested in anything that they have there, I will link their website down below. Make sure to check them out and let me know what you think of it. So I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Make sure to follow me here on YouTube and my Instagram. I will put all the information for Tough Stuff down below. If you have any questions about their products, please feel free to ask me. I do own the tent and a couple other things. If you want opinions about anything, I will give you an honest review. So make sure to follow me for future builds, future projects I have going on, and stay tuned.